From the headlights to the tailpipes, there's a lot of stories, but when you're walking around and you see the battery terminals and an on-off switch, you know there's trouble behind that wild Stang. You're watching the headlights to the tailpipes. I'm Josh. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, so this is Josh. You're watching the headlights to the tailpipes, and we've got a little situation here. This car came out of factory warranty, so Jerry decided to fix the doors. Jerry, I don't think you fixed the doors. They're all crooked.
No, the vertical Lambo doors. A little bit easier.
Vertical Lambo doors? Wow. This is killer. I love the way it looks. And so getting in and out of the doors, easy?
Yeah, you don't have to open them up.
So you can open them one way or the other?
You can open them up one way or the other.
That's cool.
That's why this is the vertical door hinge kit. So that's why I like vertical door. You can open them up normal.
Okay.
And then when you want to show it, you can just lift them up.
That's cool. And then if you're in it,
Actually, I like it better this way because when I'm working, if I do add stuff and work underneath the car, it's a lot easier to get in and out.
And I love it. You know what? It's amazing. Every once in a while, we're doing videos and whatnot, and there's like cars coming in behind us and people walking around us and whatnot. All right, so back to the Lambo doors. So you did the vertical Lambo doors,
Yep.
And then what else did you do to this little beauty?
Well, I had the fenders off. I went and put the halo lights on it, the color shift halo lights, and then drove it around for a while. And then after that, I started to do the engine modifications. So I put 4032 forged pistons in it, 8-pound supercharger, and then had it tuned, drove it for a while, and then put a methanol injection in it, and had it retuned and dynoed, and now it's around 785 at the crank.
I'm so disappointed, Jerry. Jerry, I'm so disappointed, Jerry. He's at 785 horsepower. What is the original horsepower on this?
This one was 475.
475. Just cut the cameras, Jerry, because, 475 to
780.
The 780, that's not doubling your horsepower. Just take this, put it back in the shop because it's almost 800 horsepower. I mean, that's barely going to get me from here to the moon. From the headlights to the tailpipes, this is Josh. This is my new friend. And this is, if you're going to put, I don't know, if you're going to redo the doors, I mean, you might as well make them stand straight up. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, subscribe to our channel, too, while you're at it. The headlights and tailpipes is just great stories. I look under the hoods, golly, a Viper. This thing just got just so much juice, you know what I mean? So I'm walking through and I'm looking for... Oh, it's a Tesla. There's no motor. Headlights and tailpipes from Josh.